First possession goes to Gilas. Oh, shot by Panadera, no good. Got by Arvin Bustamante. Pass to the brother Bustamante. Shot, no good. Rebound by Bustamante. Arvin blocked by San Miguel. Welcome back, Gilas. Eugene Chupo for free. No good. Rebound by. Oh, the steal. Rebound by steal by San Miguel. La Torreno. Steal by Arvin. Now Bustamante to Chupo to Chris Pabalan for free. Oh, Benamano. 3-0 in favor of Fast and Furious 9. Pabalan. Steal by Bustamante. Now Marlon Mendoza. There's a foul. Number 0. Who's 0? Oh, Aquitel. That's your first foul and first team foul. Okay, 2 free throws to be awarded to Marlon Mendoza. First one is good. Let's see the second one. It's good again. The score is 5-0. Now, Aquitel to steal by Bustamante. Now, Marlon Mendoza, nice fake to Eugene Long, rebound by Chupo. To Marlon, there's a foul, a pushing foul. Foul number 1, San Miguel, La Torreno. It's your first personal foul and second team foul. Arvin, no good. Rebound by Ryan Main. To Aquitel. Steal by Chupo.
Let's go!
Now Bustamante. All the way blocked. Blocked by Main. Now Elise. 2 points. That's the first 2 points of Gilas. Elise Aquitel. The score is 5-2 in favor of the Furious 9. Pass. Chris Pabalan for 3. Another one for the Cannon. The score is 8-2. Alpi Banadera to Ryan Main for 3. Main. 3 points by Ryan Main. Now Bustamante. Pass to Marlon Mendoza. To Chris Pabalan. Pabalan again. No good. Rebound by last touch by Chupo. Okay, Elise. To Ryan, another 3. Short point, rebound by the face of the franchise. 2 points. Abalos. Si Damuchaco Abalos. Okay, now Arvin Bustamante. To Chris Pabalan, Pabalan, another 3. No good. Rebound by Marlon. To Bustamante. After Bustamante, 3-point shot. No good. Rebound by Alpi. Same ball. Ryan. Shot. Whoa, nice pass to San Miguel. 2 points. The score is 9-8. 1 point lead now by Gilas. This is a game of two runner-ups, two seasons, both runner-ups. Alfie Panadera to Elise for 3. Oh! 3 points by Elise. Archipel.
3 points, 2 points.
3. Marlon to Chris. Pabalan, crossover. Oh, lose the ball. Now Alfie. No good. Binit bit. Wala to. Number 3, Bustamante to Marlon to Arvin. Bustamante for 3. No good. Rebound by Elise. Ayan, pass to Alfie. Nice pass to Latoreno. San Miguel. Good pass by Alfie. Okay, now Bustamante to Chris Pabalan. Oh, good tap. Ryan Mai to Alfie. Oh, steal by Arvin Bustamante to Chris Pabalan for 3. Oh, another 3 points by Chris Pabalan. On the pass of Arvin Bustamante. Oh, good steal by Arvin. 3-point shot by Chris. Now good rebound by Ryan Mai to Elise. 3-point shot by Elise. So another 3 points by Elise Archipel. Time out. Okay, Bustamante. Sound please. Patatay sound. Shot by Bustamante. 2 points. The other Bustamante. Now Elise to Alfie. Binitin pa, 2 points by Alfie Panadera. Alright, now Bustamante, number 13. Pass to Arvin Bustamante. Arvin, shot by Arvin, no good, rebound by Arvin. Follow up, no good, rebound by... Okay, Gila's ball. Last touch, Marlon Mendoza. Alright. Okay. Elise to traveling. Sabet. The face of the franchise. Turnover. Alright, now Bustamante to Eugene Chucho. Pass to Arvin Bustamante to Chucho. Back to Chris. 3-point shot. No good, rebound by... Oh. Last touch, Marlon. Now Elise. Pass to Hardy Paisan. No good, rebound by... There's a foul. There's a whistle. Foul number 2. Who's number 2? Tyree? Oh, okay. Foul Tyree Irving. Eugene. Back to Eugene. To Arvin Bustamante. Nice pass to Marlon. There's a foul. Number 0. Second personal foul Elise. And 14 fouls. Oh, 7. Two free throws to be awarded to number 7, Mendoza. No good. Okay, let's see the second free throw of Marlon. Short. Rebound by number 2 to Elise. Shot by Elise, I think it's a block. Rebound by Alfie. Shot to, there's a foul. Foul number 13. Mendoza Arvin, first personal foul and first team foul. Bustamante. Bustamante rin isa, Arvin yung isa. Pasok pa yung ina? Ha? Alright, first free throw is good by Elise Archipel. is the second free throw. It's good again. Magandang isip nito si Elise. 2-1. Almost. It's the end of our first quarter. Alright, now Bustamante to the cannon for 3. No good rebound by San Miguel. Latoreno. Pass to Ryan Maing. Ryan Maing crossover to Hardy. Mr. Hard to get Paisan. To San Miguel. Shot, no good rebound. Good dash out by RBN Bustamante. Shot by Bustamante. Slack by Ryan or Miguel. Mr. Hard to get. Nice pass. Ang ganda ng pasa ni Ryan Maing. 2 points by Hardy. Hard to get Paisan. Bustamante. Pass to number 13. To the cannon for 3. No good rebound by JJ. Ang lakas po ng JJ. Ryan Maing. Rebound by Bustamante. Pass to number 14, Chico. To the Bustamante. Short. Rebound by Bustamante. Lagyan yung rebound net. RD. Alright, 3-point shot by... another one by the cannon. Okay, Paisan. Another shot by Hard to get. Rebound by Bustamante. 2 points by Bustamante. The score is 23-18 in favor of Gilas team. Got by Mr. Paisan. Steal by Bustamante. Now the cannon pabalan to Bustamante. No good rebound by San Miguel. Latoreno. There's a jump ball. Substitution. Okay, JJ out. Bujaco in. Ryan Maing to San Miguel shot. No good rebound by number 43. Long. Furious 9 ball. Okay, Bustamante. To number 7, Marlon Mendoza. Turnover. Gilas ball. Okay, Ryan Maing. Lose the ball. Turnover. Luis Babalan, 3-point shot. Nakakarami na yung si Babalan. The cannon. Here comes San Miguel. Nice pass to the face of the franchise. No good rebound by San Miguel. 2 points by Miguel Latoreno. Now Bustamante. Block. There's a foul. Number 14, Bujaco Avalos. That's a 15 foul. Foul, Avalos. First one is good tablet. Hardy, Mr. Hertibet Paisan, out. And number 43 from Pilipinas, ha? Yung dati pa rin. Another shot is good. The score is 25-23 in favor of Gilas. 2-point lead. Shot by Elise. Short. Turnover.
Dito ka?
Arvin Bustamante. To the cannon for 3. Rebound by Eugene Chupo. No, another rebound by Chupo. To Bustamante. No, rebound by Miguel. To Alki. Alki Panadera. Left-handed layup, rebound by Miguel. Oh, no good. No steal by Mine. Tap by Bustamante. To Eugene for 3, no good. Rebound by the face of the franchise. Elise to Ryan for 3. Another 3-point shot by Ryan Mine. The score is 28-23 in favor of Gilas. Arvin Bustamante to brother Bustamante to Arvin. Pass to the cannon. The cannon pabalan to Arvin. Ito, to Arvin Bustamante. No good. Rebound by Marlon. Steal by Elise Akipel. Pull up. 2 points by Elise. Anna Black. Chupo to number 13. Shot by number 13. No good. Rebound by the face of the franchise. To Elise. Elise to Ryan Mine for 3. Short. Rebound by Chris Pabalan. To Eugene Chupo. Drive to Bustamante. Back to the cannon for 3. Oh, a little bit long. Nice pass by Chupo. Oh, get it out. I steal. Oh, I steal. 2 points by Alki Banadera. Chupo will have good defense by number 4, Brian. Arvin Bustamante to Eugene Chupo. 3-point shot. No good. Rebound by Elise. Pass to. Oh, no good. Alki. No good. Good rebound by Arvin Bustamante. Oh, nice pirouette move. No good. Double.
Pass ball.
Stay.
It's fast ball. 3-point shot, no good. Rebound by Alki. Alki, no good. Rebound by Alki. To San Miguel Gatorena, no good. Rebound by Bustamante. All the way.
2 points.
By Bustamante. Avalos. Oh, rebound by San Miguel. No ball. Eugene Chupo. Shot by Bustamante. No good. Rebound by Mine.
Keep shooting.
To Alki. No. Ryan. Oh, turnover. 2 points by Chris Buchanan Pabalan. Good steal. Release Africa.
Hands up.
Release shot, no good, rebound by Bustamante.
Last shot, last shot, last shot.
There's a foul.
Hey, last shot.
Oh, that's your third personal foul. Timeout. That's your last timeout. One more timeout. One more. Marlon Mendoza. To the cannon for three. No good. Rebound by the face of the franchise. It's over. And turnover. Okay, number 13 Bustamante. To Pamalan for three. No good. Rebound by Eugene Cupo. Nakakarami na ito si Eugene. Shot by Eugene. No good. Another rebound. To Bustamante for three. Rebound again. Oh. Got by Mr. Nine. Pass to JJ. Turnover. Bustamante. To Chris Pabalan for three. No good. Rebound by. Oh, nice back out. Mr. Hard to get Paisa. Oh, nanama po sa ulo ni Piece of the Franchise. There's a foul. Number 14.
Second personal foul.
That's your second personal foul. The cannon for three. Short. Rebound by Ryan. It was Ryan. Oh, to the face of the franchise. No good. Good rebound by Ryan. Wrong. Rebound by Bustamante, number 13. Nice pass. Oh, no good. Oh, last touch.
Take your time.
Paisan. Harassed by Pabalan. Oh, good steal. To Bustamante. There's a foul. Two shots for number.
Time blue.
Timeout blue. Okay, first one is back. No good. Second one by Adrian. No good. Rebound by. It's Timbo. Last touch, number 43. Okay, the cannon. Guard to Adrian Bustamante. Shot block. Oh, the foul again.
Blue, 4.
Ryan Mann.
Ryan.
First personal foul for Ryan Mann. The first one is good. Substitution.
Son.
Let's see the second one of Adrian Bustamante. It's good again.
Come on, Dick.
Alright, here comes JJ. To Ryan. To Alfie. Oh, good defense. Oh, steal. Shot by Bustamante. No good rebound by Ryan. Main to Alfie. Alfie shot. Rebound by Eugene. Nice move by Mr. Eugene. Chupo. Now Ryan. The score is 32-31. 1 point lead now. 3-point shot by Ryan. Oh, rebound by Alfie. Alfie Banadera. There's a foul.
Basketball. 14. 14 back.
Okay, foul, Chupo.
Personal foul.
Ilan? First personal foul, Eugene. Oh, steal by Cruz Cabalan. To Eugene, 2 points by Eugene Chupo. It's a 1-point lead now by Ryan Naing. Shot for 3, no good. Rebound by Alfie. Too hard to get Paisan. 3 points by Paisan.
3 points. Pagod na.
It's 35-32. Here comes Bustamante all the way. There's a foul. Blue 43. After first free throw.
Second personal foul.
Sino? Second personal foul, number 43. First free throw by number Adrian Stewart. Bustamante. Substitution, DJ out, Elise Accitel in. Alright, another one is good, so it's tie ball. Nice move by Elise, 2 points by Elise, 2-point lead by Gilas. Eugene to Arvin. Oh. Kick ball. Substitution. Sub number 43 out. San Miguel number 1 in. Eugene. The steal. Elise, short, good, see, 3-point shot by Elise, short, rebound by Marlon Mendoza, to Adrian, to Eugene, rebound by San Miguel, to Elise, nice move, no good, rebound by Arvin, Bustamante, there's a foul, Mr. Hard to get Paisan, number 3. First personal foul. And 15 foul. First one is no good. See the second one. It's good by Arvin Bustamante. Release to Ryan 9. Back to release. Too hard to get Paisan for 3. Another one for Mr. Hard to get. Number 13.
Hey, bro, the false kid.
Lumara.
I missed it.
Number 23. Shot. No good. Rebound by San Miguel. Steal by Chupo. Nice. 2 points. Alfie. To Elise for 3. No good, rebound by Adrian Bustamante. There's a foul. Foul, Alfie Banadera. Thank you for raising your hand. First personal foul, Mr. Alfie. And warning for penalty. One more. Warning for penalty.
Here's the foul, the 7 again.
Yes, 7 penalty all the way. 2 points, nice pass. Bustamante to Adrian Bustamante. It's a tie ball game, all 40. Now Ryan Maing to 3-point shot. Oh, there's a foul. Foul, Alfie Panadera. Penalty.
Number 7.
One on one. 40 seconds remaining, 38 seconds. One more here, right? No good. Rebound by San Miguel. To release. 13 seconds remaining. 12. 3-point shot by Ryan. No good. Rebound by Buchanan. 7 seconds. Foul on Elise Acupel. That's warning. Warning Elise. That's your 4th personal foul. There's a bonus free throw. To the cannon. Sabayan. No good. Chupo to Adrian. To the cannon for 3. Short. Out of bounds. Dilas ball. With backed out by the face of the franchise. Face of the franchise. Elisa Acupel to San Miguel. Nice pass to Alfie. 2 points. Assist by Mr. Latoreno. Shot. Oh! 2 points by Adrian Bustamante. Release to Ryan. To Alfie. Elise for 3. Oh! 3 points by Elise. 3. 1 point lead now by Gilas, 45-44. No foul, Ryan Maing. Penalty.
1-on-1. What's foul?
Maing.
Number 4. 1-on-1.
That's your second.
You are initiating the contact. No, that's what you're the one who's getting. I know, but right. Well,
Oh, the first one is good, Marlon Mendoza. We'll see the second one. No good, rebound by Elise. There's a foul, Eugene Chupo. Side ball. Yeah. Continue. Technical foul. Number 13. Adrian. That's a personal foul. Personal foul and technical. See. Oh.
First one.
Is no good. We'll see the second. No. Alright, Elise. Now Alfie. Nice pass to Ryan Maing. An assist by Alfie Banadera. Now Adrian Bustamante. Adrian shot. Foul. 0.
yun ang sira.
Two penalty. Fouled out.
It is graduate.
Two shots.
Graduate. Two shots. Okay na yan.
Kasi pinaligtad yung shirt mo eh. Kung pinaligtad mo yung flow, hindi ka magagraduate. Ay white ka eh, dahil makita.
First one by Adrian is good. We'll see the second one. It's good again.
Ang dami yung foul ng kabila eh. Tapos angal-angal ka ng...
Alright.
Nagkakalo naman, namdapaas ko ng bola.
3-point shot by Jaco Abalos. No good. Adrian, another foul. That's your third personal foul number 4. Ryan Manning. Stop after the first one.
Tahirap.
Good. Substitution. Jason Abalos out. Number 43 in.
Kaya tatala. Ang galing.
It's good. Again. It's 48. It's 49-47. 2-point lead by. There's a foul. Oh, Eugene Chico's foul. Third personal foul, Eugene. And then 14 fouls. Comes Alfie. Offensive foul.
Penalty.
Offensive foul,
Walang penalty offensive.
Team foul na sila eh.
Three-point shot by Adrian. No good. Rebound by Alfie. Oh, there's a foul. Number 13, Adrian Bustamante. Second personal foul. Number 43. Okay. There's a foul. Foul number 23, Chris Catalan. That's your first personal foul is Ryan. Steal by Adrian to Chris Catalan Catalan for 3. No good. Rebound by Eugene. And 2 points by Eugene Chupo. Paisan for 3. No good. Rebound by Ryan. There's a foul. That's 2 free throws.
Good call! Good call!
Warning for
Warning number 31.
Go, two shot. No, double bonus. That's a 13 foul.
First that is no good. Substitution. Alfie. No good. Rebound by Eugene. Nakaka-double ata si Eugene. Rebound by San Miguel. Latorena. To Ryan Maing for 3. Oh, awak. 3 points. The score is 50-51. 1 point lead by Fast and Furious 9. The cannon for 3, no good. Rebound by 33 to Latorena. To Paisan. To Ryan Mai. Nice pass. No good. Rebound by number 43. Oh! 2 points. It's 52-51. 1 point lead now by Dinas. Another 2 points by Adrian Bustamante. 1 point lead by, pass. To Paisan. Oh, another steal. 3 points to Cannon. Who's the foul? Okay, the face of the franchise, foul. The personal foul, Mr. number 14, the face. Free throw good, my number 23. Speak to 453. Second one is good again. Tanan, blue. Okay, number 43 to Ryan Man. To San Miguel.
No good. Rebound by Alci.
To Paisan, Tumaing for 3. Another one. The Ryan is the tie ball game. Now, Adrian Bustamante guarded by Miguel. 10 seconds, shot clock. 2-1 shot by Pabalan. No good, rebound by Alvin, there's a foul.
4-3.
In the board!
3 blue.
Foul number 43. Third personal foul. 2 free throw. Brother. First one is good. 1 point lead now. 6 seconds. 36.5. Let's see the second one. It's no good. Good save. A rebound by Bustamante. So 1 point lead. The cannon. Shot clock. 15 second shot clock.
10 seconds.
10 seconds.
Five.
5, 4, 3, 2. Another 10, 9, 8, 7. There's a foul.
3. 2 shots.
2 shots. 6.1 seconds remaining. 1 point lead by Curious 9.
May timeout pa kayo. Ilan na timeout nila? Dalawa pa.
Dalawa pa.
Isa sa kabila. One more timeout ninyo.
Yung titira na tres.
Alright. 2 free throws to number 14, Eugene Chupo. First one is good. Yeah. It's a 2-point lead now. The Furious 9. Second one is good again. Timeout.
Yeah, Chupo.
They get a offensive rebound.
Ryan.
Oh, Congratulations, team.